Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to transfer money from Visa gift card to PayPal. So if you want to transfer money from your Visa gift card to PayPal, is simply link your Visa gift card to your PayPal. To do that, open up your PayPal, log into your PayPal account. So once you've logged into your PayPal account, so you can go to your wallet or the payments tab here. So and then here what you can do, you can go to this manage option here and then go to your manage account. So what we're going to do, we're going to just link our Visa gift card here. So to do that, go to manage and click on bank accounts and cards and hit on the add new option. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to select this debit and credit card option and then click on this enter your card information. So here what you're going to do, you're going to simply link your Visa gift card details. So provide the details of your Visa gift card and then link it to your PayPal. So once you've linked it, so what you can do, you can simply add the funds from to your PayPal account through the card by using the card that you just linked, which is your Visa gift card. So by doing so, you'll be able to transfer funds from your Visa gift card to PayPal's. So just simply link it, and that's pretty much it. So hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.